Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll try to sketch this beautiful picture of Ajay Devgan and Kajol. On the surface this particular sketch looks to be pretty easy, but when you observe it carefully it is actually a little tricky. The faces in the picture are not straight profile faces. Also they are not completely visible, so it would be slightly difficult to replicate them, as in the resemblance would be slightly difficult to achieve. So in order to achieve good resemblance, our outline would be the most important part in this sketch. So as always, I have used the grid method to draw the outline. I have used Staedtler 8B and 10B black to do the hair work here. I have done it in layers. I've taken up a separate hair tutorial, which the link to which I'll give in the I button. So it has been done in layers, just following the direction of the hair strands. There is a little bit of reflective surface in the middle part, which I have used Tombow Mono Zero eraser. The eye which is closed here is much easier to draw as compared to an open eye, so not much of work there. The next slightly difficult part in this particular phase would be the light stubble, the light beard which he is got. It is not very heavy, it is extremely small, so it is slightly tricky to replicate that. So what I have done here is I have just applied a base layer with the Staedtler 7B, a very light base layer, just differentiating from the cheek, from the other part of the cheek. Then I've used the Staedtler Black 7B and just applied small dots to replicate the small hair strands, and then I have merged it all together such that these individual hair strands are not seen. They are a little bit blurry, so that gives the appearance of a very light stubble. So now we move ahead to Kajol's sketch. Here's the outline. I agree it looks a bit weird, it does not resemble at all, but let's see how it works out. Well, obviously the most important part here we can see is the eye and smile. If you replicate the smile, you have got it there. A little thing here to observe in the eyes: the eyeball is not in the center, it is placed towards the right, as if the character is seeing towards the right. So that is what we want to show properly here. So the position of the eyeball is very important as compared to the eye. So when we move towards the smile, we draw a very faint outline. I have drawn diagonals here in the grid to get better positioning of each tooth. Well, it's a very ideal and a very beautiful smile. It's almost molar to molar smile. It is very much symmetrical, and if you observe the ends of the smile, that is the corners of the lips, they are a bit darker as compared to the center. So we just have to slightly replicate that. One small tip to be kept in mind while drawing a realistic smile is that the outlines of the teeth should not be visible. The outlines which I had drawn before starting the shading part has all been merged in the shading part. Now there is no particular outline. Also in between two teeth, the outline is not seen. It gives a realistic appearance. Also there is a little bit of reflective surface on the gums of the teeth, so especially on the right side, so we can just shade that area a little light as compared to the surrounding gums. So once we have completed the smile, we are almost done with the sketch, the main part of the sketch. The hair here is done in the similar way, just following the direction of the hair strands. There is a slight bit of curl in the middle part of the hair, which reflects light, so we have to just slightly keep that a bit lighter. So guys, we have completed the sketch here. Let's see how the final sketch looks like. I hope you all liked the work and the final outcome of the sketch. Do give it a big thumbs up if you liked the video and share it with your friends. If you have any suggestions, please do let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. I do come up with such art related videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.